Today we're doing Zara Larson Euphoria / Valentine's Day makeup. So my base is already on. I put a heart on the side of my eye and we're only doing it on one side. And we're going to basically just pat a cool toned blush over top of it. That way the shape of the heart is there, just like that. Lovely. And you want to pat it. If you swipe, you are most likely going to take that sticker off. So you got to pat and bring it down onto the cheek. We are going for a very full blush moment, just like Zara Larson. Make sure to get the nose and the bridge. I'm gonna go in with one of my whitest whites and kind of go in the corner here and build it up and build it out. That way there's a lot of pigment to kind of work with and a really nice base. We're gonna go in with this almost neon pink here and kind of shape our eye with it. So basically, and I'm gonna blend it out. This is just hard to hold. I'm really liking the shape, so I think we're going to take a little bit of shimmer and basically go like this and bring it down. That way it's just a little bit more accurate and just like kind of really makes my eye look bam. I'm going to go back in with like kind of a dollar store brush with that white. That way we can really accentuate anywhere that is white. I'm going to take one of my palest pinks with a very fine brush. And I think what we're going to do is basically kind of fill in here and make it into a gradient. So the whole eyelid is going to become that pale pink. And we're going to pull it out just like that. That way it looks like super extra. I'm going to take some She Glam highlighter and basically kind of go right up here. And we're also going to go right on the eyelid. For the underneath the eyes, I'm going to like even them out with the white. Take a really fine brush and basically kind of like go like that. That way it looks super cute and like really unique. Let's take off the little heart sticker and see where we're at. Oh, that's pretty well perfect. We are going to basically, that's adorable. I'm thinking that we should put like one of these gems in the middle of it. I think that would be really cute. I think I should put a little bit of Fenty highlighter in the heart. I'm thinking. I think that would just be so cute. Use my fingers and I'm gonna look in this mirror. Attempt 2. That looks pretty good. Let me double check in a good mirror. I'm pretty happy with that. That's pretty awesome. I'm gonna add some more gems. We're just gonna do gems around the heart. That was very tedious, so like the video. I'm gonna add some more kind of streaming down my face. This is kind of what I've come up with. I think I'm gonna add like a few more gems or maybe like a bow over here and go with that. A bow was definitely one of my better ideas. Okay, so we are like super bedazzled. I'm going to do some finishing touches and show you the finished look. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I added obviously a few more gems, but yeah, I really, really love the way this turned out and you guys need to go watch the transitions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.